Arbaz, you've been associated with where you've come from. How much of that do you believe has made you successful? How much of it has made you successful, or has it been your own hard work and preparation?
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and nice to have you all here. Firstly, is this a problem? Yeah. Good afternoon once again. Answering your question. Initially, I definitely believed a lot in luck. I thought everything that happened was because of luck. I do think that luck plays a very important factor in everybody's lives. You know, there are certain things that we really have no control over, where we are born and things like that, and the family that you're into. That definitely has a part to play where no really effort from your side has contributed to that. But gradually, over a period of time, I realized that in life, as you go on, hard work and your efforts that you put in do have a very, very big play. And it's because of that you kind of achieve certain things in your life. So definitely, luck would be a factor, but not as much as hard work in the long run.
Now, of course, the confidence that comes with preparation begins early in the morning, the moment you wake up.
Yeah.
And the first step to do is look at yourself in the mirror and say you're confident. I guess that confidence comes with
shaving,
being clean shaven, and
That's
being
right.
well groomed.
Absolutely right. You get up in the morning, you have a clean shave, and you feel confident. And once you're confident, I think, you know, there are opportunities that happen. You grasp the opportunities that happen during the day that you kind of grasp, and you just make the best out of it. So you feel confident, and opportunities come by your way somehow, strangely.
I guess same goes for people who work with you in your team, in your production.
Yeah. You know, I think people who shave strangely have a very, very confident appeal to themselves, you know, and there's a certain amount of lethargy or certain amount of kind of lackluster behavior coming from people who don't tend to be groomed probably, you know. So even I noticed in my office when I had employees who were clean shaven and who looked confident and fresh, I think they came across far more efficient and hardworking to me just because of their appearance and just because of the fact that they were like clean shaven and looking confident.
Rahul, you've been, you are an icon in sports, as Arbaz is an icon from showbiz. Now, and then you're also Gillette India brand ambassador. Now tell me, as a sports person, what is your take on the confidence that comes from grooming yourself?
Yeah, firstly, good afternoon to everyone, and it's lovely to be here amongst all of you. Look, like I think Arbaz said, you know, luck does play a part, and sometimes you need that little bit of luck, or you need that situation that creates that opportunity for you. But then after that, I really think it's up to you to be able to grab that opportunity. And that opportunity, you know, is not necessarily given to everyone, but when it does come your way, if you are confident, if you're ready, if you're prepared, you give yourself the best chance to actually grab that opportunity. You give yourself the best chance to succeed. You know, if you're able to prepare, if you're able to be disciplined about, you know, the way you go about things, you know, I think then you find that success, you know, somehow follows that level of preparation and being able to seize that moment. I mean, if I just look at my own sort of cricketing career and international career, I mean, I was lucky in a sense that I was fortunate enough that the selectors had confidence in me, even at the Ranji Trophy level or even at the India level. The selectors saw some potential in me and gave me that opportunity. You know, getting that opportunity for me was very, very important, and there's not much I could have done about that. But then grabbing the opportunity, I think, was in my hands, and for me to be able to, you know, perform well and to be ready to take sort of my international career forward, once I was given that opportunity to be able to cash in on it, was really up to me.
So the first step that you take onto the field, before that, the confidence that you pump yourself up with, I'm sure the first step to that is, of course, being clean shaven and being well groomed and trimmed before you even step onto the field to face your competitors.
I think just, you know, personally for me, being clean shaven just makes you feel good. It just makes you feel really good in the morning when you shave with your, Gillette sort of shaver. You shave with the Gillette foam. You just feel good about yourself. You feel good about your body. I guess you feel good about your face. So you approach the day and you approach the challenges of the day, I think, with a renewed level of confidence.
Now, in various fields, people say that you should have a sportsman spirit or a discipline like sports people have. So, does shaving come under that discipline? That you go through a rigorous routine yourself through the day, but as a matter of habit, as a matter of discipline that you inculcate within yourself, that you wake up in the morning, you first shave, make sure that you are looking good, you're looking groomed, and then step out. So as a habit, as a sportsman spirit, that goes into it.
I don't think I would use the word discipline with shaving, because I think, discipline sort of means hard work and thing, but I think shaving in the morning especially, I feel good about it, and I don't really think it's hard work. I kind of really enjoy it. I get up in the morning and I really want to shave and feel good about myself. So I really enjoy that. So I don't really see it as a discipline. I just see it as a really good habit to follow.
And of course, I mean, with a tool like the Gillette Mark III Turbo, it's very, very easy. It takes hardly a couple of minutes, so it's definitely not hard work there.
It's a phenomenal shaving system, and that's the beauty of Gillette. I think, they always innovating, always coming up with new products. So the Gillette Mark III Turbo is a sensational product. It's a product that I've used, and I think that's one of the things about endorsing Gillette or being a brand ambassador for Gillette. It's a product that you actually use every single day.
So there you go. Both of our icons have stressed on the need to be prepared for any opportunity that comes your way. And, well, today we've got another wonderful, a beautiful opportunity that is here with us backstage, of course. But it's my honor now to introduce to you the very beautiful, the very, very talented, and our latest member of the Gillette family. Ladies and gentlemen, the very, very talented actor, Kriti Sanon. Kriti, the mic for you. Welcome, Kriti. Welcome to the Gillette family. It's great to have you here with us.
Thank you so much, Anuj, and thank you for the lovely words.
Kriti, tell me, we're discussing luck versus confidence. We're discussing,
Yes.
and you've come up with a very, very simple and yet very important question. Will you shave?
Yes.
So now tell me, how does that make a difference to you when a man is clean shaven?
Well, I was hearing the whole conversation about luck and about being prepared. And I personally believe that, for luck also to get you something, you need to be prepared and ready for it. You need to be prepared to seize the opportunity that comes your way. And you never know when that opportunity is really going to knock. There are so many times that we are not expecting anything, and we're just probably standing on the roadside, or we're boarding a flight or anything, and we bump into someone, and then we feel that, oh my God, I'm not looking the best today. So I think, why not look your best every day? Why not be prepared and look confident every day? I think I personally prefer men being clean shaven. I think, first of all, that lazy stubble kind of feels like you've not probably taken a shower today. And I think the moment a man is clean shaven, he's feeling good about himself, and that shows in the confidence. So that feel-good factor for everyone is very important. Confidence is the best accessory anyone can wear. I think it just makes your day. So for me, personally, I'm here to advocate the clean-shaven look for men. And in my family, my father, my grandparents, my grandfather, everyone was always, they had that clean-shaven look. I think as kids also we bond more. Like, I remember a small incident with my Nanaji, that he used to have a bit of stubble and mustache and all. And I never used to let him kiss me because it used to irritate me on my cheek. So he actually went ahead and he shaved off his mustache, he shaved off his whole stubble for me to let him kiss me. And my father's always been clean shaven. I think even one day when he doesn't shave, it starts showing like he's not taken a shower. So I just prefer, I'm in that 75% category of women who prefer men being clean shaven.
Well, that's very inspiring, actually. Nanaji also had to shave before he kissed his granddaughter. And just saying, I'm also clean shaven today, completely. Just saying.
It was quick because it's such an easy razor to shave with. I mean, one of the things is that It's very easy to. Okay, it's very easy to use. You know, just the way the handle is shaped, just the way the handle has been designed.
I think the speaker wants a shave too.
So yeah, just makes it. Can you hear me? Yeah, it just makes it so easy to shave. And I think one of the beauties of the blade is that it just sort of adjusts to the contours of your face. It's easy, just glides, you know, glides on your cheek. It really gives you a comfortable, smooth shave, which I think is fantastic. I mean, just the technology that Gillette keeps innovating with, keeps coming up with, is absolutely phenomenal.
Arbaz, how's your experience with the Gillette Mark III Turbo Bane? I mean, you were.
How's my experience?
Yeah.
Fantastic. I think this is one of the newer razors, which is constantly innovating and bringing in new stuff. I think Gillette has done a fantastic razor. It gives a very smooth, clean, close shave.
So the titanium-like finish, 3 blades right there, an advanced lubrication system, and it of course also comes in with a very easy to use kit where you can just store the razor easily and travel with it. And it's very affordable, just at about 200 rupees.
That's right.
It's a very, very affordable shave and very quick, as you guys noticed. So Kriti,
Yes.
closing words with this entire shaving, will you shave answer. Have you got your answer to your question?
Well, I'm still asking the audience, I'm still asking the consumers that the opportunity can come to you anytime, it can knock at your door anytime. So, will you shave?
And that's the question she's going to be asking Mumbai and of course in a lot of other cities. We're very glad to have you as part of the Gillette family. Thank you so much,
Thank you
guys,
so
for
much.
Thank you.
being such wonderful
Thank you very much.
ambassadors here. And of course, with that, we ask you and all of Mumbai and the rest of the country the very, very important question: will you shave? Thank you so much. Can we have a huge round of applause for our icons on stage? We'll have a one-on-one media session. For those of you who've requested the one-on-one, may I please request you to assemble to my right, to your left of the stage here. Our PR team will help you have your one-on-one interactions. May I request the 3 of you to please pose for the cameras once again.
Bad thing about it. Dravid has been there for the longest time. I've done about 20 events. Yeah, it's the same thing. They'll ask you more about your movie now.
Hi, we have all the interaction on stage. So people who've given their one-on-one requests, please come towards the right side. Z, can Z come first, please? Yeah.
Here we have.
ये काफ़ी सालों से मैंने कई इवेंट्स किए जिलेट के साथ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि वर्ल्ड क्लास ब्रांड है. इनकी शेविंग टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ही हाई एंड है, वेरी इनोवेटिव इन देयर पायनियर्स हैं अपने फील्ड के. एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है इनके साथ एसोसिएट होना. इनकी टीम बड़ी अच्छी है. एंड आज का जो इवेंट था वो एक मैक 3 रेज़र, जो टर्बो रेज़र है जो इन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, उसके ऊपर है, जो एक बहुत शानदार रेज़र है. एंड वी आर हियर टू लॉन्च दैट. उसके बहुत अच्छे फीचर्स हैं जो बहुत ही क्लोज और क्लीन शेप देता है. वेल, जो लोग शेव नहीं करते हैं उनको मैं और जिलेट ये मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि शेव करना चाहिए आपको. शेव करने से ज़्यादातर लोग मानते हैं कि आदमी फ्रेश लगता है, कॉन्फिडेंट लगता है, अच्छा लगता है. तो अगर ये सब शेव होने से होता है तो आई थिंक पीपल शुड फील एनकरेज टू शेव. बाकी जिसको अपनी दाढ़ी रखनी है वो रखे, लेकिन जनरल ओपिनियन लोगों की ये है कि people who shave are probably more confident and better received in society, as maybe that is what is the norm in terms of percentage. And you know, people who, जैसे मैं अपने बारे में बताता हूँ कि जब मैं शेव नहीं करता तो मैं अपने आप को बड़ा थका हुआ महसूस करता हूँ, थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है बीमार हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा by even women have a better approach towards people who shave. तो generalize ये है, बाकी कोई चीज़ सही या गलत नहीं कह सकते. General opinion है कि people who shave are far more acceptable in that sense, more fresher, nicer looking that way.
शेव की बात की जाए तो आप हफ्ते में कितनी बार शेव करते हैं?
मैं तो ऑलमोस्ट रोज शेव करता हूँ. जी. डॉली की डोली अभी जो है वो मेरी अंडर प्रोडक्शन फिल्म है जो ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है. उसके सिर्फ एक छोटा सा स्केड्यूल बाकी है जो हम नवंबर में करेंगे, जिसमें हम करीब 3 गाने शूट करने वाले हैं और कुछ थोड़ा सा 2 दिन का कुछ काम है, सीन्स वगैरह करें. उसके बाद दिसंबर में हमारा सारा प्रमोशन का काम शुरू हो जाएगा, म्यूजिक रिलीज, ट्रेलर लॉन्च वगैरह. एंड वंस दैट हैपेंस देन वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ अर्ली जैन रिलीज नेक्स्ट ईयर. अभी टेंटेटिव डेट 23 जैन है, लेकिन एक फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट कुछ ही दिनों में आएगा जब मैं श्योर होऊंगा कि कौन सी डेट करना है. बट एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ अर्ली ईयर रिलीज जैन 23. अभी तो शायद दबंग 3 में ही देखेंगे, वो जब भी हो. इसको अभी नहीं कह सकते कब होगा वो, बट इंशाल्लाह करेंगे ज़रूर, लेकिन डोंट नो व्हेन. थैंक यू.
लग जाएगा. Yeah. Well, it's my first event with Gillette. I think I'm very, very glad and proud to be associated with Gillette as a brand. It's a brand that's been there for so long. I think from the time I've been born, I've been seeing all the men in my family use Gillette. It's the world leader in terms of shaving technology and innovation. So it's really a great feeling to be associated with a brand that's been there for so long. Plus, when I met the team, I kind of really related with the values Gillette stands for. Because it doesn't tell you that you use Gillette and there are going to be 10 girls bouncing on you and you'll get an opportunity like this. But it just tells you to be prepared for any opportunity that comes your way. It just believes in a confident, hard-working man. And that's what I believe in. I believe in hard work, I believe in being prepared for anything. And I think not only on the special occasions like your interview or your wedding or something, you should shave every day. You should be prepared, look good, be confident every day, because you never know what might happen. And that's what Gillette tells you. एक question more.
The people who shave on a regular basis, what do you think specifically is the people who
I just say shave because I think जब आप shave करते हो, the moment you look at yourself, you just start feeling good about yourself. You feel more confident, and I think कभी भी हो सकता है कि आप बस स्टॉप पे खड़े हो या आप कहीं से गुजर रहे हो, आपको कोई मिल जाए या कोई ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी आ जाए जब आपको बाद में लगेगा कि यार आज मैंने शेव क्यों नहीं किया. So basically, I think you should shave every day, and that lazy stubble really doesn't give a good impression, be it on a girl or be it in your interview or be it anywhere, because it does make you feel a little laid back and not very ready and not very prepared. Confidence is the best thing that you can wear. So Gillette gives you that confidence, because when you shave, you really feel good about yourself. So will you shave? Yeah. She's like jumping on. I know. Well, I will be doing Singer's Bling with Akshay Kumar, being directed by Prabhudeva sir. And I'm also doing Farsi opposite Shahid Kapoor. And that's being directed by Raj. Both projects are going to start soon, and I'm really, really excited for both.